everyone, it's Leanne again from Dorky Planner Girls. I wanted to show you what is in our subscription boxes this month. We are going to start by taking a look at the classic box. This is the one that's designed for planners like the Erin Condren Life Planner, the vertical one. Oops. But it can also be used in a Happy Planner as well, because there are some extra header stickers in this kit that you can use to fill up the extra spaces, because I know those boxes are slightly larger than the Erin Condren ones. So let's start with the kits. I chose two kits for this box based on the fact that the box is March themed, even though it gets posted on the 1st of February. And so since March, it tends to be St. Patrick's Day, but I don't want to do something that is too island themed, just in case that's not somewhere that you've been or something that you want to celebrate. I decided to go with Green Day. So Green Day is full of greens. The best way I can describe it. These are those glitter header stickers that I was talking about. They are literally just little extra headers in there. Then you've got the washies. This is the sheet that's got the date covers and all of your little bits and bobs on there. And that's the final sheet. And then for the second kit, since Easter is at the very end of March this year, I went with our Spring Treats kit, which is super pastel and cutesy and Easter themed, but not too Easter themed, if you see what I mean. So those are the full boxes. And then you've got your washi, your date covers, and all your little functional bits at the bottom. And there's your normal headers and just checklists and everything. So as well as the two kits, you always get a few extra sheets of stickers every month. This one here, right here, is going to be our freebie for March. I always like to throw in the freebies a month early for everybody. And of course, you've got our Wacky Holiday sheet, our brand new Bright Idea sheet. I love these for whenever I have a good idea for the business. There's an Easter countdown sheet, and the beauty of selling the March themed box in February is that you will have enough time to use all of them. I've got spring cake and coffee stickers as well, since it's spring, and then a lovely sheet of my anti-adulting stickers. And for this month, I decided to give you guys a pen loop. These are self-adhesive. You just turn them over and peel the backing off, and then you press them into the back of your planner, and you can keep your favourite pen handy. So that is everything that is in the classic box. On the other end of the scale, you have the Hobonichi Weeks planner, which is much smaller, and so of course the kits are sized especially for that planner. So again, you've got the cute little pen loop. These really do work in any planner, no matter what size it is. And of course, our new March freebie. These are the same stickers across all the kits. We don't want anybody missing out, since they can be used anywhere. They're not specifically sized. And the thing that you're really here for is the kits. The Hobonichi kits are the Hobonichi Weeks kits are the same artwork and everything as the other ones, just on a much smaller scale. So you still get the cute little fashion girls in there, and you get your washi, and you get a little bit of glitter and everything, so you don't miss out. The Hobonichi Weeks kits are 2 pages with a little bit of everything to help you plan a nice week. And this is the Spring Treats version. Still donuts and cakes. Lovely pastel colours. So that is everything that is in the Hobonichi Weeks kit. And this, lastly, is our brand new Hobonichi cousin-sized box. So again, everything that you get in the other boxes. I'll move those out the way for a second and then show you the Green Day kit. I just love the bow washi in these kits. And this is the Spring Treats kit. And a couple of things I'd like to show you on our Wacky Holiday sheets. Just so you know, you can only get the Wacky Holiday sheets through our subscription boxes at the moment, but the March Wacky Holidays have some of my absolute favourites on it, like Alien Abduction Day, or, you know, Save a Spider Day. Those are quite cool. So I will definitely be putting a sheet of these aside for myself so that I can add them to my own planner. And I think that is everything that you need to know about the Hobonichi Cousin subscription box. So if you would like to get your hands on our subscription box, whether that is the Hobonichi Cousin, the Classic, or the Hobonichi Weeks version, please come over to our website, dorkyplannergirls.com, and have a little look and join our club before the end of the month in order to get this box sent to you. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.